that the Delhi police has landed up at the offices of Twitter in Delhi and in Gurugram just days after Twitter, the social media giant, labeled tweets by BJP leaders like Sambit Patra as manipulated media. We'll put up on the screen for you pictures of those searches which were ongoing till at least just a few moments ago. Now, essentially, what appears to have happened is that Twitter had labeled these tweets by BJP leaders as manipulated media. These were tweets by people like Sambit Patra, who essentially were pointing out that the Congress had put out a quote-unquote toolkit to try and smear the Modi government for its handling or mishandling of the COVID pandemic. Subsequently, many fact-checking websites pointed out that the BJP, in fact, may have forged the so-called toolkit to ascribe it to the Congress, and subsequently, Twitter labeled some of these tweets by Sambit Patra and others as manipulated media. The government has written to Twitter asking it to remove the manipulated media tag. Twitter appears not to have done so. We'll put up the Patra tweet also for you in just a second, and that has resulted in what you're seeing on your screen. Possibly that the police has landed up at the offices of Twitter. My colleague Neeta Sharma is joining me on the phone line. Neeta, now, is the police sharing more details of what they're doing at the offices of Twitter, and also what is the complaint? Who is the complainant that has sparked this?
That's what is interesting, Vasu. As of now, we don't know who the complainant is also. They are not even sharing the details of the complaint. However, they are, searching both Ladosara area and also the Gurugram area. We are being told that when Delhi Police Special Cell team reached Ladosara offices, the offices were closed, so they did not find anything from there. But right now, they are presently in Gurgaon. They are trying to locate the Twitter office and trying to search that. But as far as the official version of Delhi Police is concerned, they earlier, had clarified that they had sought some explanation from Twitter authorities, which they had not parted with. And that is why these offices are now being searched. As you were mentioning, this investigation pertains to Sambit Patra's tweet, which the Twitter had labeled as manipulative. The Delhi police officials believe that Twitter has some kind of information which they are not sharing, and that is why they're searching the offices. But, strangely, they are still not sharing who the complainant is and what sort of complaint has been registered with Delhi police regarding this. Earlier, MeitY, that Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology, had raised this issue with Twitter authorities, saying that you cannot say that this tweet is manipulative. These are the investigations which would be done by Indian investigating agencies, and then only the truth would come out whether this tweet is true or whether it's a false tweet. But you cannot just label it. But now this is going a step further. The special cell is right now searching the Gurugram office of Twitter India. Vasu?
All right, so Neeta, it's quite extraordinary because we're still trying to understand what is the criminal offense here that has led the police to essentially raid the office of a social media company for labeling tweets as manipulated media.
That's what we've been trying to find out from Delhi police officials also since afternoon. The reply that we got was very categorical, in which they just stated that they are inquiring into a complaint in which clarification has been sought from Twitter regarding the classification of a tweet by Shri Sambit Patra as manipulative. It appears that Twitter has some information which is not known to us, that means the Delhi police, and on the basis of which they have classified this tweet as manipulative. This information is relevant to the inquiry. Special cell, which is conducting the inquiry, wants to find out the truth. Twitter, which has claimed to know the underlying truth, should clarify. This was the earlier version of Delhi police before when they had sent notices to them, but when they did not reply, that is when they decided to go ahead with the searches. Right now, Delhi police team is present in Gurugram, where the searches are being conducted. Vasu?